running a Facebook lead ads but still checking your leads manually and sending them a WhatsApp message one by one, then you are making your leads follow up much harder than it needs to be. Because in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to contact your Facebook leads in under 30 seconds automatically. Yes, the moment a new lead comes through your Facebook lead ads, they can automatically receive a WhatsApp message. So you don't have to manually open Facebook, copy the customer details, find their number and send the message yourself. The complete process happens automatically. And you know what is the best part? That we are going to create this complete setup without any coding. And for this, I am using Pabbly Connect. I'll show you exactly how I created this workflow from scratch. So let's start building it right now. Alright, I am now inside the Pabbly Connect dashboard. To create the automation workflow, you need to click on this plus create workflow button. So there are 3 ways to create a workflow inside Pabbly Connect. All of these are best, but in this tutorial, I am going to create a workflow by using Quick Builder because it is the fastest and the smartest way. And this Connect Dash Studio is going to be appear in front of me. Here you need to give a single line prompt and it will automatically create a workflow for you. I'll show you how it will work. See, as soon as I send the prompt connect Facebook lead ads with Pabbly chat flow, it analyzes my request and asks me which Facebook lead ads trigger should start this workflow that I am selecting as new lead instant. After that, it is asking me about the Pabbly chat flow action that I am selecting as send text message. See, here I am using Pabbly chat flow, but you can also use WhatsApp Cloud API as well. And see, within a second, it will automatically creates a workflow for me and asking me for my approval. So I'll click on this approve and create button. And that's it. Our workflow is created successfully. Now I'm going to open this workflow. Look at this. Within just a few steps, Pabbly Connect has created the basic workflow for me. We have our 2 applications ready, Facebook lead ads and Pabbly chat flow. Now let's set up the Facebook lead ads step first. To connect Facebook lead ads account with Pabbly Connect, simply click on the application. After that, click on this connect button and click on this add new connection. Next, simply click on this connect with Facebook lead ads. Just provide the permission to Pabbly Connect and create a connection. See, my Facebook account is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. Moving forward, here you need to select the page name where you are running the ads that I am selecting as the Magic Makers. After that, you need to select the lead generation form that I am selecting as new leads. See, I have already created this form before. After that, I'm selecting a response format as simple and clicking on the save and send test request button. And you will see I have received the positive response and it has started waiting for the webhook response as well. So for getting this webhook response, you need to go towards your Meta for Developers account. So for that, open a new tab and search for Meta for Developers. After that, just go inside this first link and you will successfully come on the official page of Meta. Here you need to click on this resources option. After that, click on this developers tools option. Next, just scroll down and you will see an option by the name of lead ads RTU debug tool. Once you click on it, this type of page is going to be appear in front of you. Here you need to select the page that I'm selecting as the Magic Maker. See, this is the same page that I have selected in our workflow too. After selecting the page, you need to select the product that I'm selecting as lead retrieval and the form as well. I am selecting this new leads, as this is the same form that I have selected here too. Next, I'm clicking on this preview form button. Here I'm doing all this setup for getting the test response. So for creating a test submission, I have entered my first name as Rohan, last name is Singh, one city name and the contact number as well. After that, I'll click on this continue button and this submit button. See, the form has been submitted successfully. Now let's check our workflow to see whether we have received a new response or not. And see, I have successfully received the response that I have entered while filling the form. This means that the connection between my Facebook account and the Pabbly Connect is working perfectly and the setup of our trigger application is completed. Moving forward, we have our action application as Pabbly chat flow. To connect your Pabbly chat flow account with Pabbly Connect, you need to click on the application. After that, click on this connect button and click on this add new connection. Next, it will ask you to enter the API token. So for getting this token, you need to go towards your Pabbly chat flow dashboard. See, Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation platform that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Here on the left-hand side below, you will see settings option. Once you click on it, you will clearly see one option by the name of API and webhooks. Just go inside it, and here you will successfully get your API token. So copy this token from here and paste it in this field. After pasting the API token, you need to click on this save button and see the connection is created successfully. Moving forward, in this recipient WhatsApp mobile number field, I'm going to do the mapping of the response that I have received from the previous application, that is this Facebook lead ads. To do the mapping, you need to enter the slash on the field and the previous application is visible in front of you. Once you click on it, you will see all the received responses. So in this recipient WhatsApp mobile number field, I'm going to do the mapping of phone number. Here it is mapped. Now what is mapping? See, mapping is the most important step in automation as it makes data dynamic. As different customers have different data, so for capturing each customer's information dynamically, mapping is used. With the help of this mapping, automatically based on the customer input, this number will change. Next, we have WhatsApp message field. See, here in this field, you need to enter the message that you want to send to your customers whenever they filled out your lead form. Here I have added. Now for making this message personalized for each of the customer, again I'm going to do the mapping. That is this, after this hi, I'm going to do the mapping of customer's full name, that is Rohan Singh. Here it is mapped. Moving forward, again I'm doing the mapping of customer's full name, next the email address, after that the phone number, and lastly the city name. See, I have entered this message content completely based on my choice, but you can change it. Here my objective is only to teach you how you can create an automation by using Pabbly Connect. The steps are almost similar. You need to understand the logic only. After that, these are not required fields, so I'm leaving these blank. But before clicking on the save and send test request button, I want you to know that the contact number I have mapped in this field is a dummy number, and sending a message to dummy contact number is not possible. So for that, I'm removing this mapping from here and going to enter my number manually in this field, just only for the testing purpose. But you have to make sure that in this field, you need to map the real contact number that you have received from your previous application. With the help of this only, the customer will receive the message on their WhatsApp. And one more thing, the number will include the country code without plus sign. After entering my number manually, I'll click on the save and send test request button, and you will see I have received the positive response, that is status as success and messages sent. Now let's check our WhatsApp to see whether we have received a new message or not, and see. I have received a new message, and look at this message, how professional and attractive it is. It also includes my name as a Rohan Singh, email address, phone number, city name, and one link too. So that's how it works. As I said, I have entered this message content completely based on my choice. You can change it. As we have successfully received some message on our WhatsApp, this means that our action step is also working perfectly and our workflow is completed. So that's it. This is how easily you can create a connection between your Facebook lead ads account and WhatsApp by creating this simple workflow. And this is just one example. By using the same tool, you can integrate thousands of other applications without coding. If you like this tool and you also want to automate your business task, then go and purchase its subscription plan by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an amazing discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while reading this amazing workflow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I have also shared the link of this workflow in the description below. You can check it out. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, then don't forget to like it and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So not only this, you can do multiple integration of many applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Connect, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/connect #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.